you make money with YouTube live streams? Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm here to answer the question of if you can make money doing YouTube live streams. So the answer is yes, you definitely can, but there is an art to doing it. So we actually do not promote donations or receiving money from our viewers when we do our live streams, but it just kind of happens naturally. And you might be asking, oh, well, why don't you ask people for donations or anything like that? The reason being that we promote other products and services. So we do have courses and we do have coaching and we do have like website design and things like that. So we do have higher end products, but we do have the option open on our live stream and people do feel compelled to give donations to us. And just a quick side note before I get into the numbers, we do live stream with a software called StreamYard, and we live stream to both Facebook and YouTube at the same time. We've been using this live stream the entire time, and it's honestly so user-friendly. It gives us the ability to do like a live show aspect in that you can have a banner, you can show people's comments, even the donations that come in, you can show them popping up on the screen, and it just looks more like a professional live stream show. While live streaming, we're usually teaching and we're talking about a concept. It's usually about, mindset, business, positive energy. We have this segment in the beginning that's called, share your wins for the week. And for like 10-15 minutes, everybody's sharing their wins. If they made a sale, if they learned something new, if they took action on something. And so we use that beginning part of the show to create a really good energy. And then we go into like a teaching portion. We usually have a lesson that we are teaching. And our live streams usually go for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now in that time, people donate on our live streams. We actually do not say the words, make sure you donate or click that donate button. We never actually have said that at all, but people do donate to us. And you can see here, I have this pulled up on my laptop. People donate small and big amounts. So people can donate like $10, $5, $20. I think the highest donation that we've ever gotten in one show was like $50 from somebody, $62 from somebody, $63. And this is like from one person, doing a super chat or a super sticker on the live stream. That's what YouTube calls these donations. They call them supers, and like can either be a super chat where someone can type in a message with their donation, or it's a super sticker where they choose like a static sticker or a animated sticker that pops up on the screen. And so all these amounts add up. I will have the total come up on the screen of how much we have collectively made on our live streams. And this is not including the other things that are sold on the live stream. So during the live stream, we'll be talking about a product or service that we have, like, we do YouTube coaching, or we have this course, or we have that course. And people will purchase the course during the live stream, or they'll click on our affiliate link or something. So, this amount does not include all of that stuff. So live streams can definitely build credibility, it can make sales, it can make you money, and honestly, most importantly, it creates community. So every Thursday at 6 p.m. PST, people know to tune in that we're gonna be there live, giving value, giving entertainment, and like sharing our wisdom and what we've learned. And just earlier this week, we had our weekly episode of number 144. And people tune in every week from all around the world. We have people watching from all over Canada, the United States, the UK. There's this guy named Phil who watches, and it's 2 a.m. every time. We call him 2 a.m. Phil because he's always tuning in from the UK, because 6 p.m. here in Canada, in Vancouver, is 2 a.m. in the UK. We've even had people watch from Nigeria, from the Philippines, like literally all over the world. And it's super humbling, and we're super grateful that people tune in at all times of the day to watch our show. So if you are ever thinking about starting a live stream show, think about the community that you want to build, because That's essentially what it is. You know, it's a live interaction. People really get to know you when you're on the live stream. They can ask us questions in the chat and we will answer pretty much in real time. And people really like that aspect. It's different than a static video like this, where I'm just speaking and then, you know, you're just receiving it on your end and I have no idea what you're thinking. But in the live stream, you can talk to me in a sense. So if you've been thinking about starting a live stream, I would highly recommend it, especially if you're wanting to build a community, if you want to sell things. Depending on what your channel is about and what your genre is about, we do recommend to some of our students to tell people that, you know, you do receive donations during your live stream. Like if you don't have a product or service, I would suggest to people, your viewers, you know, hey, if you want to support the channel, make sure that, you know, you donate. It keeps the channel going. I would recommend to do that if you do not have a product or service to sell. So are live streams a good idea and can you make money with them? Yes and yes, and I would highly recommend doing it for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do want to tune in to our YouTube live stream, it's 6 p.m. PST every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.